Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning. And sir, you're Larry Fletcher Jr.?
Yes, ma'am.
And Mr. Fletcher, in cause number 25, DCCR 0838, you're charged with the second-degree felony offense of aggravated assault with a deadly weapon from September 18th of 2024. And what that means is that if you go to trial and you're found guilty, the range of punishment is between 2 years and up to 20 years in prison. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
In cause number 25, DCCR 0839, you're charged with the second-degree felony offense of manslaughter from September 18th of 2024. And what that means is that if you go to trial and you're found guilty, the range of punishment would be between 2 years and up to 20 years. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
And then finally, in cause number 21, so we've got a motion to revoke probation in that one. Okay.
Okay, what I do is just go through the motion at this point. I think Mr. Holman said that he would rather proceed on the MTRP first.
Well, the MTRP is based solely on these allegations.
So it would be a whole trial.
Yeah. Additionally, if the MTRP was adjudicated prior to this case going to trial, arguably it could foreclose an application for probation by the defendant. So
That, I'm not worried about that, because if it, no, I guess I just don't want to. What level offense is that position? Hold on a second, let me go back here. Second degree. Where's Mr. Coleman to get ready? I mean, a lot of times I want to do the motion first, just because it depends on what the allegations are. I don't want to try to have to find 2 days for a hearing and hear all the evidence that we're then going to have to turn around and potentially hear in a trial if it's not likely to be dispositive. Yeah, on this one, I don't know that that makes judicial economy sense. So what I'm inclined to do is set those for trial. But let me do this. It looks like the state has offered you in those 2 cases an 18-year term in prison. Mr. Fletcher, I have a plea bargain rejection that has your signature on it showing that. And that would be 18 years in each of those cases to run concurrently. Is that your understanding of what their offer is?
Yes, ma'am.
And you understand if you go to trial again and you're found guilty, the range of punishment can be up to 20 years in prison. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
I do want to go ahead and do this, and then let's go through the motion. I do want to get pleas of true or not true on that motion, and then what I'll do, Mr. Wilkerson, is get with you and Mr. Coleman in the next week or so. He's got a trial this week that he's getting prepared for, and I will make a decision on whether or not I'm going to go forward on the motion or if we're going to set those cases for trial first. But I want him to be able to have at least his argument in that, so we'll do it that way. So let me go through and find the motion real quick. And Mr. Fletcher, would you please raise your right hand? Do you swear or affirm the testimony you're going to give in this hearing will be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you. You can put your hand down. So in cause number, there we go, 21-37809. I have a motion to revoke your unadjudicated probation. Shows that you were placed on probation October 11th of 2021 for the second-degree felony offense of possession of a controlled substance, and that was a 5-year deferred probation. Is that correct?
Yes, ma'am.
It alleges that you violated your probation. Count 1 alleges that you committed the offense of manslaughter on September 18th of 2024, and is that true or not true?
Not true.
Count 2 alleges that you committed the offense of criminally negligent homicide September 18th of 2024, and is that true or not true?
Not true.
Count 3 alleges that you committed the offense of aggravated assault with a deadly weapon September 18th of 2024, and is that true or not true?
Not true.
Count 4 alleges that you committed the offense of possession of marijuana on July 4th of 2023, and is that true or not true?
True.
Count 5 alleges that you committed the offense of unlawful carrying a weapon on July 4th of 2023, and is that true or not true?
Not true.
All right, did you enter your plea of true to count 4 freely and voluntarily?
Yes, ma'am.
And did you plead true to that count because it's actually true?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, then I'm going to find that you entered your plea of true to count 4 freely and voluntarily, find that count true, find sufficient evidence to find you guilty and revoke your probation. However, what I'm going to do is reset this for now. Just make a note for me to decide what I'm resetting it to and put it on my desk, and I'll get an email or a call, Mr. Wilkerson, with you and Mr. Coleman within the next couple of days, and we'll figure out if I'm going to set it for a hearing and what amount of time that would need on the motion, or if I'm going to set it for trial on the new cases first.
Okay.
All right? And we'll stay in touch with Mr. Wilkerson and your bondsman, and they'll let you know when you need to be back, and he'll let you know what it's going to be for and all of that.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay? You're free to go. We need a print, please.
And then I think